Today I am reviewing the Roborock Qrevo S Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let us start with the raw cleaning power because on paper, this machine boasts a staggering 18,500 pascals of suction. To put that into perspective, many standard mid-range robot vacuums hover around 5 to 7,000 pascals. When you turn the Qrevo S Pro onto its maximum HyperForce mode, it operates like an absolute beast. It effortlessly yanks out deeply embedded fine dust, heavy cat litter, and stray crumbs from deep within carpet fibers and long floorboard cracks. What makes this power actually useful, though, is the anti-tangle system underneath. Instead of a traditional bristle brush that turns into a tangled mess of human and pet hair within 2 days, it uses an all-rubber spiral main brush and a zero-tangle side brush. The hair is naturally guided to the edges of the roller where it is easily sucked into the bin, meaning you spend significantly less time flipping the robot over with a pair of scissors to cut away tangled knots. Moving on to the mopping system, this is where the Qrevo S Pro steps far ahead of legacy robot mops. Instead of just dragging a static, damp cloth across your hardwood, it utilizes dual spinning mop pads that rotate at up to 200 revolutions per minute while applying consistent downward pressure. I tested this against dried coffee spills, muddy footprints from a rainy day, and sticky juice spots in the kitchen, and the scrubbing action managed to completely lift the stains on a single pass. Through the app, you can choose a specialized Thorough Plus mode, which causes the robot to drive at a slower, more deliberate speed while maximizing its water output across 30 distinct, customizable levels. It allows you to tailor the exact dampness for delicate hardwoods versus heavy-duty kitchen tiles. The real magic happens when the robot encounters mixed flooring. Thanks to an intuitive ultrasonic sensor, the second the machine rolls onto a rug or carpeted area, it instantly lifts its spinning mop modules up by 10 millimeters. This ensures that your soft rugs stay perfectly dry, while the robot simultaneously boosts its vacuum suction to its absolute maximum to extract dirt from the carpet fibers. It provides a seamless, one-pass cleaning run of your entire home layout without forcing you to split up your vacuuming and mopping schedules. Navigation and spatial awareness are driven by an advanced LiDAR dome and reactive tech obstacle avoidance. On its maiden voyage, it mapped out my entire floor plan in about 15 minutes, navigating in precise, logical straight lines rather than bouncing randomly off the walls. At just under 3.8 inches tall, it is remarkably low profile, allowing it to glide under low-clearance furniture like couches and bed frames where dust bunnies usually hide undisturbed. The obstacle avoidance is highly effective at steering around larger items like shoes, chair legs, and dropped toys. However, it is worth noting that flat, thin objects like charging cables can still occasionally trip it up, so you will want to do a quick sweep of stray cords before letting it run. But what truly elevates the experience is the multifunctional all-in-one dock, which removes almost all the friction of daily maintenance. When the robot finishes a job, it returns to the base station, and the dock yanks all the dust and debris out of the robot bin into a sealed 2.7-liter bag that can easily last 7 to 9 weeks before needing a replacement. Then, it initiates a high-temperature mop self-cleaning cycle, heating the water up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat easily melts away oily kitchen grease and residue from the microfiber pads, keeping them sanitary. Once washed, the dock blasts the pads with 113-degree warm air for a few hours, drying them completely to prevent any sour, musty odors or bacteria from developing. With the AI-powered SmartPlan 2.0 system in the app, the machine can even automatically recommend custom cleaning routines based on your room types and history. It operates at an incredibly quiet 55 decibel level during standard mopping, making it easy to run while working from home. If you want a hands-off, deeply powerful machine that scrubs, vacuums, lifts its own pads, and washes itself in hot water, the Roborock Qrevo S Pro is a phenomenal choice that punches well above its price tag.